In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Coinbase Wallet to Phantom. So the first thing you want to do is open up your Coinbase Wallet, and then you want to go to the very top left where you can see it says address 1, and you want to click on that. And then from here, you want to click on Add and Manage Wallets at the very bottom. Now, once you click on that, as you can see, you'll be able to see all your wallets, and the current wallet we assume want to connect to Phantom Wallet is address 1, so wallet 1. You want to simply click on the address 1, and then in here you will see it says recovery phrase, not backed up, or however you have it. So the first thing you want to do here is click on recovery phrase, and then unlock your wallet using your passcode, and then it will say recovery phrase or private key request. We've detected a request to view your wallet's recovery phrase or private key. Only allow access if you're attempting to view or back them up. So here you want to press allow, and then it will show you your recovery phrase, which right now, of course, I'm not going to show because it's my private one and I don't want you to know it. And after you can see it, you simply want to copy it. You will see a button which says copy to clipboard, and then once you've done this, you want to, of course, copy that and go to your Phantom wallet. So inside the Phantom wallet, what you have to do is then just press on your account, so A1 at the very top left, click on that, and then click on Add/Connect Wallet at the very bottom. Then you want to click Import Recovery Phrase, which is the option in the middle over here. And once you click that, you simply want to paste in your recovery phrase that you copied from your Coinbase wallet. And once you do that, you will basically just have to press import, which is the button at the very bottom. And after you do this, your Coinbase wallet will be connected to your Phantom wallet. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.